Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you use LinkedIn and you are facing some of the problem, how to upload a resume and how to delete the resume on LinkedIn. This video is very important for you. Very simplest way to upload updated resume on LinkedIn profile. How to do it? We can see detailed demonstration step by step. So now let's start on my Mac screen. So first of all, you need to open your LinkedIn account. This is my LinkedIn account and I just simply click here in the profile. After that, setting and privacy, enter here, and here bunch of information is displayed. You should just simply click here data and privacy and scroll down, and here one of the option is available, job seeking preferences. So you should come here and after that job application setting, and boom, here is your old resume. Sometimes here multiple resume is also available. So question comes here, how to delete? It's very simple. Just click the three dots, delete this resume, and then accordingly multiple resume is available. So one by one you should delete, and after that very simplest way to upload, and select your resume, and my resume is uploaded on LinkedIn. Very simple process and very easy. Just within 1 minute you should update your resume via this process. If you really like this video, so please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.